I've been asked to do more videos that include Dawn as a resist, just to see what it does. So I'll go ahead and do that. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the wash until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out since this will be ice-dyed. And instead of just going with a regular spiral, I'm going to do a double spiral. So I'm going to pick 2 spots, wherever that might be. I'm going to go ahead and just put a dot so I have a general idea. Once I start twisting the first one up, it kind of becomes hard to judge where that second one is. So we'll just go ahead and do this. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. Yes, I did previously twist this, and I'm doing it again. I didn't like the way it turned out. Alright. Off to dye. Okay, for this I am using rust brown, oxblood red, black cherry, those are from Dharma, and then aged wine from Dye Spin, Timberwolf, shiitake mushroom, gunmetal gray, and better black, and these are all from Dharma. Alright, so I've got it lined up like this. I'm going to apply some Dawn in a streaky fashion across here, and then we'll come in and add the dye. Might add a little bit more around these edges here. Okay. Alright, we'll let that sit and melt through. Alright, let's go ahead and rinse this out. Alright, let's take a look. There is still a lot of soap left in this. But that's what it looks like so far. I'll go throw this in the wash and we'll take a final look. Great, here's the front. Here's the back. Alright. So in the center, we have pretty close to total coverage of both of these colors. And then where the Dawn was, which was on the outer edge, we have the white from it being on that one side. Can you control it in really accurate tight spots? Somewhat. If you use the needle dispenser, you can come close. There might still be some bleed through, but it works fairly well. Overall, it lets you do something a bit different to control where you don't want the dye. This would be more difficult to control any other way because the dye would ultimately get there from wicking through since it was in the muck. So it does allow you to keep that one side from getting it. Do I like the design overall? I mean, it's not bad. It's more of an example of what you can do with using Dawn and pretty much any soap or any dishwashing detergent as a resist to control the areas where you want them to remain white. So let me know your thoughts down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.